What's up, everybody? I got a quick one for you. Today we're going to be showing you how to turn your JPEGs and your PNG pictures into WebP files right in Adobe Photoshop. You have to be using the latest Adobe Photoshop, but it's 23.4 to be able to do this. But now, no external software, leaving metadata tags on your picture. If you have the Adobe Suite, you can do it right in Adobe Photoshop. It's great. So you want to open up any picture that you want to make ready for your website, okay? And then all you got to do is just go up to File, okay? You want to go down to Save Copy, not Save As. You want to go to Save Copy, okay? And then at the bottom, right below where you change your picture's name, all the way at the bottom, you're going to see that new format, that WEBP, all right? All you want to do is just select that, okay? And then since I'm such a stickler for trying to get organized, I'm going to go ahead and create a folder for this, even though this is just a test, right? And I'm going to go ahead and name this my WEBP pictures, right? And then click OK. Now again, this is just a test just to show you how it's done, because if I was actually doing this, I would not have this picture be 1920 by 1080. All my pictures on my website are under 1000 pixels. Now here, make sure you click both of these, okay? This is your metadata and your lossless and your lossy, okay? Ultimately, this is going to determine how big your picture really is going to be in the end. Now, since this is going onto my shop page, well, not this particular one, but what I would do if it was going on my shop page, I'll drop it down to about 80% because I don't need the details to be that fine, right? And then once you do that, just click OK. Bada boom, bada bing. Now you have a WEBP file picture. All right, let's go check out how big it is. All right. Hey, I want to make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and go ahead and click that notification button. Now, once you open up this picture, I want you to notice one thing real quick. See how it creates an SGV file? All right, Adobe Photoshop has always been able to make your pictures in SGV file, which is a web-ready file also. Just now everybody's on board. We're calling it WEBP. All right, everybody's on board with that. And now you actually have that selection within Adobe Photoshop. Thank you, Adobe Photoshop. All right, next thing you want to do is create a droplet for these so that you can export a bunch of these at one time, creating that format. All right, final thoughts. Today, let's see. Most people see opportunity. Some people can take advantage of opportunity, but leaders create opportunity. So what will you create? It's mainstream entertainment. Once again, I want to thank you for stumbling onto my channel. Catch you on the next one. Peace.